Hello and welcome to Women's Financial Empowerment Group. I'm your host, Ruth Agbaloso. I'm so happy that you're visiting my channel. If this is your first time, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Oh, and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know when I upload a new video, which is every week, and you'll be able to watch it as soon as it comes out. I'm a financial coach, and on this channel, we discuss all things financial. My number one goal is that you become financially literate. This video is a continuation from my video, Investing for Beginners Crash Course. I will link that video here or there or somewhere and in the description. So go ahead and take a look at that video. That video gives different types of investments, how to invest in them, and a little bit more information. So it's very general. In this video, I wanted to break it down a little bit further, but still keep it short so that it's not too overwhelming. Investing can be scary, particularly if you're not familiar with it. Maybe you didn't have parents that invested, or they didn't really share with you what they did. But not to worry. My job is to break it down so that it's not so scary. So stick around to the end and come back for more, because I will be continuing this in other videos. Now, what is investing? That may be what you have on your mind to ask. Investing is when you put in money or other resources in an entity in hopes that you will generate either income or a profit. And that profit is called a return. Now, I must first tell you that there's no guarantee that you will get a profit when you invest in the stock market. If anyone promises you that, please run far away because there's no guarantees. Yes, we've seen that it is very likely, but no one can really promise you because no one really knows what the market is going to do. I want you to take this information as information and do your due diligence to see what is going to be best for you. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm a financial coach, so I will not be able to give you specific advice for your situation here. So, as a beginner, where do you start? You may be asking, hey, great, you've told me what investing is. How do I get started in investing? The first thing you want to do is make sure you know what your goals are. What are your goals for investing? Why do you want to invest? Some people invest because they want to have money set aside for retirement. Some people invest because they want to fund a dream, like a dream house or a dream vacation or something like that. Some people invest because they want to have money stored away for a rainy day, an emergency fund. There are so many reasons why people invest in the stock market. So you have to know what your reasons are. In any case, where I would recommend you start is with a retirement account. If your company offers a retirement account, a 401k, and you have not signed up for it yet, I would recommend you find out how to sign up as soon as possible so that you could start funding that. If it's not available through your employer, not to worry. There are other retirement plans that you can sign up for, and I go into those in other videos. So please come back so that you can get that information. Now, after you've done that, you definitely want to make sure that you sign up with a low-cost online service. There are so many, and I've mentioned some in that video that I keep referring to, so you definitely want to go over there and check out just a few that I mentioned there. There are so many available at this moment. You want to start off by investing in mutual funds and exchange traded funds. Mutual funds are several different funds classed together. So therefore, you're not just investing in one company, you're investing in a group of companies. One of the things that's great about that is that if one company is not doing really great during a certain period of time, it really kind of balances out because the other companies may be doing well, and it balances out, so it minimizes your risk. Exchange traded funds, also known as ETFs, are very similar to mutual funds, and they are a group of securities. They're traded every day on the stock exchange. So those are really highly recommended that you start with those. And index funds. Index funds are a group of many different stocks. So already, just by getting an ETF, you're already diversifying your portfolio some, because you have so many different stocks in there, and it's a very low cost way of investing. So it's highly recommended that you do that. You also want to make sure that you're dollar cost averaging. Now, what does dollar cost averaging mean? What it means is you're not going to put in all your money at once. So for instance, if you have $6,000 to invest, say you want to invest in Apple, what you're going to do, instead of putting all the $6,000 in at once and buy stocks that way, you're going to make payments in increments. So every month you're going to put in $500 to buy stocks in that company. Of course, the stock prices go up and down, so depending on whether it's doing well or not doing well, that well will determine how many stocks you're actually buying. But what if Apple bottoms out and does, just falls apart? That way you won't lose all of your money. So that really minimizes your risk. So that's really a recommended way of doing it. One of the most important things you want to remember is to educate yourself. Watch my videos, watch other videos, read, join groups, join forums to get as much knowledge as you can about investing, about the different terms that you hear, about the individual companies that are in the different funds that you're invested in, because you want to be able to make better decisions as you go along. And as you become more familiar with this whole investing thing, then you can go into individual stocks. And I highly recommend Acorns. I've mentioned them in other videos because I use them, and I really believe that it's a great way for a beginning investor to start investing. It just really simplifies the whole process, and you're able to get in there with a little bit of money. So check out my affiliate link in the description and see if they would be right for you. At the end of the day, whatever you decide to do, make sure that you're diversifying. You want to make sure that you're investing in several different types of companies across different sectors. You don't want to put all of your eggs in one basket, so to speak. You want to spread everything out, and that helps to minimize the risk. I hope that this has been helpful to you, and I hope that you've liked this video. And remember, change your mind, change your pocketbook. Oh yeah, and see you in the next video. Bye.